someone guidance from our class, maybe a minute or very fast. Welcome to Las Vegas Martin Kuiku. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial of aerial cake. The first thing you have to have is the carving. I have a few ways I want to show you how to get the aerial cake fast. Aerial cake, so you should find it somewhere safe. From high to low, and to go with your two hands, and you go one hand, then finally without your two hands, but you need a really good cake, all right, with speed. Yeah, better. Right. Okay, that's great. So with the martial arts way to do aerial cake, your hand will be very important to lead you swing, to bring your height, go down as this, go down as okay, like this way, aiming this leg, have to go straight line this way. So we go aiming. So that's the intention was we roll a cake. Yes. Okay. Student to guide aerial cake really quick. So right hand, same. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Hope this helped you, and I see you next video. Thank you.